To reset forgotten password in Windows 11 computer, hold Shift key and then click on power button and then click on restart. Click on troubleshoot. Click on advanced options. Click on command prompt. Copy clone /Windows /System32 and /utilman.exe space clone Windows System32 utilman.exe and add some text back. Now hit enter. One file copied. Next command, copy clone Windows System32 /cmd.exe space clone /Windows System32 /utilman.exe. Now hit enter. Are you want to overwrite? Yes. Type yes and then hit enter. One file copied. Now close command prompt. Click on continue. Now click on accessibility icon. Now type net local group administrators. Now hit enter. You will find here your all administrator user. Now type net user and then username. I am typing the username Mahmud and space, then type star. Now hit enter. Type a password for the user. I am typing the password. Hit enter and then confirm password. Again hit enter. The command completed successfully. Now close command prompt and you can log into your computer. Type the username and then type the password and then hit enter. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power and then click on restart. Again hold shift key and click on power, then click on restart. Go to troubleshoot, advanced options, click on command prompt. Again type copy clone /Windows /System32 and /utilman.exe back the file I have copied earlier. Again space /Windows /System32 and /utilman.exe. Now hit enter. To confirm type yes. Now hit enter. One file copied. Now close command prompt and then click on continue. This is the easiest way to reset forgotten password in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.